Hi everyone, welcome back, and in today's video I will show you how to download the Douyin app on your Android N phone, because Douyin has changed a lot. So right now if you are on the Douyin main website, even if we translate it to English, we cannot find the download for the app. The only thing that we can find is this download for PC client. So this one is download to the Windows or Mac, but this one is for your PC. And if you wanted to download for your phone, then there will be a different thing. There's a couple of ways to download the Douyin app. We can use official China App Store, but that will install differently. And the other way is that we can go direct to the Douyin website to download it. So if you search on Google, download Douyin APK, and we'll have all this, and these are all from the third party unknown website. I wouldn't recommend that because we don't really know what we are getting in the app itself. So I won't download from all these unknown website, especially with all the malware going on. So I wouldn't do that. So either use the official China App Store to download it. If not, then we have to go to the official website, which is the Douyin website. But they have already hide the download webpage. So the one that is official is this, because the Douyin website is actually douyin.com. So this website over here, douyin.com/download page/app. This is the website that we want. So let's do a translation to the English. So that will be easier. So once we translate to English, we can see from here, this one is for the Windows, this one is for the Mac. Then we don't want it, we wanted the mobile. And then we have this for iOS. In fact, for iPhone nowadays, to download a Douyin app is very difficult, because before that we just need to change the App Store to Hong Kong or to China App Store, you can download it. But right now, even when you try to change the App Store, they require you the payment method to go through a Alipay or WeChat Pay or a credit card that is issued by Hong Kong or China. So I still haven't found a workaround for that yet. But for Android, then we can just click on mobile. Once at the mobile here, switch to the Android. And I think most of the phone now should be on the 64-bit. So then just download the 64-bit. Alternative is that when you click on this download button, use a scan. That means on your phone, just scan this barcode over here. Using the barcode is the most accurate way, because they will detect your phone, which is the best APK for your phone. So let me just try to do that and scan it. So right now I'm using my one of the phone, and then I'm going to scan it to scan the code. Once I scan the code, this is the website link, but they always change. So just click on go to the website, and then they will say this is harmful, but because it's from the official website, so I think it's fine. And I will just download it and install the Douyin app. So it's going to take a while to download. Okay, the download has finished and it has taken me quite a while because it's a large file. So right now we are going to install it. So this is the APK file of the towing that I just download. So when you install, they will ask you for this setting because this is not from the App Store. We need to allow this source depending on your phone, but it will be quite similar. So we need to allow a third-party source to install the app. That's why I don't download from unofficial website or unofficial App Store. So once that is done, we'll click OK, and then they'll start to install. App not installed. Okay, there's probably some problem with this. So if you have the same problem as mine, then I guess the other way is to actually download from the website itself and then put it onto your phone. Download now and then click Android installation. We should download the 64-bit because this is for the most of the mobile phone. 32-bit unless you have a very old handphone. Otherwise download the 64-bit, and again I think this one is going to take a while. Okay, the other way that we can install the towing app is actually through a China App Store. Like I mentioned, there is a China App Store that is quite reliable. So this is the China App Store. If we search for towing, of course we need to search in Chinese. Then they have this one over here. So either way, we can either use this or use the China App Store, and this App Store is actually called 软件商店 in Chinese. So if we search for so this is actually the app of it. If you search for 软件商店, this is the China App Store that is very reliable. So you can actually download this one. I will post all this link on the description itself. So I like to use this App Store, the China App Store, not the Google Play Store, the China App Store, because in this China App Store we can find a lot of Chinese app. Because most of the Chinese app we cannot download from the Google Play Store. So if I try to install it over here, and you'll start. Okay, this one is pretty fast. Sorry, I think I missed out the part just now. I was trying to search for it. Okay, if you have to go to this 软件商店 and then we search for this towing app, you actually have to type in Chinese. Then they'll show you, and just now I click the install button, but I forget that I was switching to another screen, so you didn't see it. But I actually click the install button over here, and then it start to download. Because earlier on I was using this QR code, and somehow the APK wasn't compatible with my handphone, so I'm going to use this App Store over here, the 软件商店. If you translate to English, and then software download, so you can actually scan this QR code. Android version 9 and above, scan this QR code and then download, and then you will have this App Store over here. This is a China App Store, just like a Google Play Store, and we find all the Chinese, all the China app over this Play Store. So right now I'm installing from this China App Store, and just click install. Okay, you'll see it is an unsafe app, but for me I'm going to click install anyway. So right now the app has been installed, and this is version 31.0.0. So I have actually installed the towing app onto my mobile phone using the China App Store. For some reason, the official website and this barcode over here wasn't compatible with my handphone, so I use a China App Store to install the towing app. So you can try this. So you either use the barcode over here or try to use a 64-bit. Otherwise, you have to go to this China App Store, install the China App Store, and from the China App Store, then you can install it. Then you can install this towing from here. So I hope you like the video. Please subscribe and share. And in the next video, I will show you how to create a towing account without a China phone number. And that still works for now in 2024. So watch out for my next video. Thank you.